In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a triptych split panel print in Adobe Photoshop step by step using a simple workflow that gives you 3 perfectly aligned panels ready for printing. This is a great technique if you want to create modern wall art, split canvas style prints, or a clean 3-panel display from a single image. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and creative editing guides. Alright, let's jump into Photoshop and get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. This can be a photo, artwork, or any design you want to turn into a triptych. Before dividing it into panels, you want to make sure the overall composition is ready. If needed, crop or resize your image to match the exact aspect ratio you want for the final display. Keep in mind that all 3 panels will combine into one finished layout, so plan the composition with that in mind. You want the subject to look balanced across the split. If your image opens as a locked background layer, go up to the Layer menu, choose New, and then select Layer from Background. This converts it into a regular editable layer, which makes it easier to work with. Once that is done, you are ready to create the panel divisions. Now comes the easiest part, because instead of measuring everything manually, Photoshop can calculate the splits for you. Go to the top menu and click View, then Guides, and then New Guide Layout. A settings panel will open, and this is where you will create the 3 equal columns for your triptych. In the panel, check the box next to columns, set the number of columns to 3, then set the gutter to 0. That is important because a gutter would create space between the panels, and for a clean triptych print, you want the sections to line up perfectly without any gap. Make sure rows stays unchecked, since you only need vertical divisions for this effect. Once everything looks correct, click OK. You should now see 2 vertical blue guidelines splitting your image into 3 equal sections. These guides are your visual reference for the triptych layout, and they help Photoshop create clean, printable slices. Take a moment to look at the composition and make sure your subject sits well across the thirds before moving on. Next, you will turn those guides into actual exportable panels. Select the Slice tool from the toolbar on the left. It is usually grouped under the Crop tool, so if you do not see it right away, press C or right-click the Crop tool to reveal the other options. Once you have the Slice tool active, go to the top Options bar and click Slices from Guides. Photoshop will automatically generate slice boundaries around the 3 sections based on the guidelines you created. At this point, your triptych is essentially mapped out and ready to be exported as separate files. Now go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. This is a useful export method because it gives you control over format and quality while preserving the slice structure. In the Save for Web window, choose the file format you want. JPEG is a great choice for photos, while PNG24 can be better if you need higher quality or transparency support. Adjust the quality settings based on your print needs. If you're making a high quality print, keep the quality strong so the final panels stay sharp. Now hold Shift and click each of the 3 panels in the preview window to make sure all 3 are selected. This step ensures that Photoshop includes every panel in the final export. Once the slices are selected, click Save at the bottom. A final save dialog box will appear. Here, make sure the slices drop down at the bottom is set to all slices. This is very important because if it is set incorrectly, Photoshop may not export all 3 panels properly. Choose the folder where you want to save the files, then click Save again, and that is it. You have now created a triptych split panel print in Adobe Photoshop, with each section exported cleanly and ready to print as a 3-part display. This technique is simple, professional, and perfect for turning one image into a striking wall art composition. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Adobe Photoshop tutorials, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next creative editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.